In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to drag and paste photos in Milanote. If you've ever wanted a quick, no-fuss way to get images from your computer into a Milanote board, this walkthrough is for you. We're going to keep it simple and make sure every moment feels straightforward, so by the end you'll be confidently dropping photos right where you need them. Start by heading to the Milanote website and opening the board you want to work on. Think of your board as a big visual workspace where everything, notes, links, and images lives together. Make sure the board you choose is the one where the photo belongs so you don't have to move it later. Next, open the folder on your computer where your photo is saved. This could be your desktop, your downloads folder, or a project folder. On a Mac, use Finder. On Windows, use File Explorer. It can help to place your folder window and your browser side by side so you can see the file and your Milanote board at the same time. That way, dragging from one to the other is smooth and you won't lose track of where the image is going. Now click and drag the image file, press and hold your mouse on the image thumbnail and begin moving it toward your Milanote board. If your board is in a browser tab, hover over that tab for a moment so it becomes active. Then continue dragging onto the canvas. Keep holding the mouse button the whole time. You may see a small preview of the image under your cursor. That's a good sign that the drag is working. When your cursor is over the Milanote board, drop the image directly onto the canvas by releasing the mouse button. Aim for the spot where you'd like the photo to appear. You might notice a faint highlight or outline as you hover over the board. That simply indicates Milanote is ready to accept the file. As soon as you let go, Milanote begins bringing the image into your board. Give it a moment to upload. The time this takes can vary depending on your internet connection and the size of the file, so don't worry if bigger photos take a little longer. Avoid closing the tab or navigating away while the upload is in progress to ensure a clean import. And that's it. Your photo is now inside your board. You've gone from finding the image on your computer to placing it right where your ideas live, all with a simple drag and drop. To recap, open your board, open the folder with your photo, drag the image, drop it on the board, and wait for the upload to finish. Simple, fast, and done.